Guys, it's back to Bessie's vlog, and today I am with my friend Brooke. Hello. Her sister, my sister, and my mom. Her family's here and my family's here. We're in Utah and we're in Bryce Canyon in the Navajo Trail. And yeah, we're in this kind of like crevice that we get to walk through. And then over here you can see a bunch of people were building rock towers.
We might build one.
Yeah. Mom, can we build one?
Yeah. Here, you want me to hold it? Why don't you turn the camera around and then I can...
I can't turn the camera around.
Oh, okay. Here, I'll hold it then.
Yeah, okay.
Hi. I'm Michaela's mom.
Don't step on any of the rocks.
Okay.
I'm gonna go up here.
Well, that's not a very good camera angle, but okay.
I think I found a good rock. Okay. So I'm gonna build one right here. Well, actually, I'm gonna build it over here so you guys can see. Can you guys see?
Should I move over here?
Okay, there we go. Let me get this. Oh yes. 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 I'm gonna need a tiny rock. No! You rebuild this. No, do not fall. Okay, I built mine. 3 rocks high.
They say
I built mine.
in Asia where they build these, they say the higher you build, the luckier you are.
And I'm building a hole.
Yeah, so that's why
I'm not
they take a lot of time and patience.
Oh my gosh!
How many is that? 2, 4, 6, 7 rocks.
7 rocks. 7 years ago. 7 years. I'm just kidding. Now I need to find a tinier rock. No. I think this is tiny enough. No! Okay.
Can I give them a scan around the whole canyon here?
Yeah, well, I try and get this tiny rock. Look, our hand's gonna be covered in carbon.
It's massive.
Oh my gosh, I did it. This way.
That's where we climbed from. And
Okay, I just got really good. Okay, now I need like a tiny one. Okay, I'm just...
oh no.
Oh, nice. Alright, I'm just...
Okay, I think our parents are calling us. Or your parents. Okay, you gonna end it?
Yeah, that's where I'm ending it.
Okay. Do you need anything to say?
I'm not ending the video.
Oh, okay. Come on.
Okie dokie. Time to come down. It's very hard. Anywho, let's come down. Can I have my walking stick, Mom? Mom? And, sorry. We're walking down. As you can see, we're walking down. It's actually really shady, but in Utah, it's hot. You like the crevice that we're in? Climbing a rock.
I think it's time to go, Michaela.
Okay, well, I hope you guys liked this video. So, see you guys next time. Please make sure to subscribe and like. So, yeah.